Anyway, look coming up here soon, and I really wanted to do a wear test because I really wanted, well, really want to use this for today. Oh god, I'm excited. I haven't opened it yet. I'm super excited. So this came in the mail a couple of days ago, actually. No, day before. Day before. And it's the Pretty Privilege by Hey Paris. So I just opened it. I just opened it. Like, I haven't even seen it yet. I've been holding back. Alright. I haven't seen smelled it since then. So at least with this one here, how cute is the little pink box? We'll go more into the box here in a minute. And it comes with a little card, cute shipping information. And oh, does it come with? Ooh, it comes with a little sample. Nice. And ooh. Oh well, I made it good hand. Alright, I like the aesthetic of the box. Very, very nice. But we're here for the fragrance. We're here for her. This is what we're here for. Very nice. I'm super excited. What makes me most excited about this one is the mister or the spray. Oh my god, I'm really bored. That's just me and another person doing the episode. Anyway, you know. Alright. There it is. The bottle is actually really, really cute. I dig. And we're going to do a whole wear test today. This is kind of an unboxing, first impression. Alright, so based on the website, the top notes are lavender, peach, and plum. The middle notes are jasmine, coconut, and violet. And the base notes are vanilla, sandalwood, and toffee. So this seems a little too warm for my preferred taste. I tend to be the fresh fruity type of vibe. Like always kind of like fresh floral. We'll see how this smells. Oh no! I'm not gonna cancel. Oh, it looks good. Just give me a second here. There we go. That never happened. Let's see. Ooh. Oh. Yep, I do smell the coconut. Let's see how it wears for the rest of today. And then we'll come back. We'll come back here as I'm officially free. Once I'm officially free from the purple world. Anyway, we shall be back.
All right, time for me to take a seat back. So, overall thoughts on this. So I filmed, or when I at least first sprayed the Pretty Privilege. It was around 7:30ish, 7:45ish. Really, I was really pushing it and getting it to work on time. But it's still on me. When I first did the spritz on my wrist here, still on me. Yep, I still smell it on my shirt. It started to dissipate around, I want to say around 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock. That's when I started to notice it wasn't as strong. Um, and the fact that I only used 2 spritz, like I was able to sense it on myself for the first 4 hours or so. So definitely it has good lasting power. That's almost like 11 hours. Um, let's see. One other thing I guess I could kind of compare this with. Hopefully it'll pop off the thing like I did earlier this morning. That was bad. That was my fault. That has nothing because I think I just kind of went sideways because I was so excited and in a rush. But best way I can kind of maybe put it similar would be maybe Black Opium to maybe to YSL's Black Opium, but this one's definitely sweeter. This I can definitely sense the coconut and the toffee. So this is 70 milliliters or 2.4 fluid ounces. And oh, I just discovered something's made in the U.S., which is really, really cool. So at least I'm just reading this from the website here, and the website says Paris, Paris. Wait, is this supposed to be like not necessarily say Paris, Paris? Without saying Paris? What does it say here? Huh. I wonder if that's the fragrance line that she's gonna have. Whatever. Pretty Privilege is radiant, fruity, gourmand scent that embodies the inner beauty and confidence within you. I agree. Let's keep on reading. Blending lavender, peach, and plum with jasmine, coconut, and violet, and finishing with a warm notes of vanilla, sandalwood, and toffee. It's the sandalwood that lingers over the vanilla, which actually I kind of like. Yeah. Because being pretty means embracing self care, self love, and recognizing your right to feel beautiful. Everyone has their own pretty privilege, and this fragrance embodies every aspect of that inner beauty. So many people around you are privileged to experience. This is available at rebelscents.com. Free shipping after like 80 or something like that. Yeah, free shipping on 85, and I think the shipping that I paid was like $8-9. I try to justify buying two, but after leaving my job today, no, I totally understand. Sometimes it is a little scary to buy a scent that you haven't tried before, and you're just trying to go based on the um, uh, the fragrance notes that it has on there. But since I like coconut, it's one of like the warm scents that I like to vibe with. Um, and I, I'm kind of glad I took the plunge. I'm kind of glad I did. And oh no, never mind. I thought it was gonna give you but it does give you a free not free, excuse me. It does give you a sample size of other scents if you wish from here. Again, kind of going on that mist. Like, look at this. Look at this. Fine. It's so fine. It smells so good. I would like give you more demonstrations, but like I don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste it. But I really do like definitely just for the mister alone. This one's top notch. I like it. I like it. I'm a very satisfied customer. Um, I think you should definitely get it while it lasts, especially if you've been following Hey Paris. I watched her really earlier in her career. I want to say like at the very beginning, but right when she was doing her like story times back when she was at Sephora or back when she was at Walmart, the Walmart makeup counter there. That's kind of when those videos started popping up. That's when I started when I became a subscriber. And I just been kind of following her since. And even though like she's kind of rolled back and to kind of focus on her cute little family that she has, oh my goodness. And just watching her evolve to the woman that she is now, it's definitely inspiring. And given like with like a lot of the personal stuff that she shared on her end, and you know anything is possible, y'all. Just manifest it. I'm gonna keep the box because I feel like it's really cute, and well, it's gonna go back in there, just so it doesn't like get I'm gonna say damaged by light, tampered by light. Like I don't go that extra that I put them in the fridge or anything, but I definitely want to preserve it while I can. But there it is, pretty privilege. If I haven't already said this for the 10,000th time, Congratulations, Paris. I can't wait for other fragrances that you drop because, girl, you sold me. You sold me. I feel delectable, as you said. What are the notes on Black Opium, actually? Let's take a look. Um, I've been really impressed on the power of this one. Nobody asked you. um, and the fact that it's still on my clothes and I still smell it, and how it's dissipated over time is actually really really nice. Because you get to have one of the more warmer notes, and how like it goes with my body chemistry. So once again, congrats, Paris, and as she would say, delectable. I definitely felt delectable on my last day of work. You know what? Like, and I'm kind of glad I did it because I was really feeling that vibe. Given that I am in a unique situation that I was able to leave my employer, and as I focus on some of my self-employment stuff with music and everything, I'm not gonna throw all the tea out there, and I might not even um I'm not even might even film it on my own thoughts and whatnot, at least my experience. I'm just gonna let karma do the work for me. How about that? How about that? So once again, if you haven't done so already, please hit a like and a subscribe wherever those buttons manifest on your device. And we're so close to 10 subscribers. It looks like I just need 3 more, and I'll get a video out on one of my first pets here, and pet reveal number 1 of 4. And I'm excited on this journey. I'm excited that I get to share it with you all. And yeah, drop in the comments down below to see if you've tried this fragrance, or what fragrances you like, or any recommendations over here. I'm not sure about you, but I tend to get stuck on the kind of the same scent family, so I try to venture out a little bit. I was not gonna lie, when she said vanilla, I was one of the base notes. I tend to steer away from vanilla, only because, sorry, Bath and Body Works, but like that vanilla sugar just a little too much, a little too much for my little nose here over here, just just too much. Ones that I'm so close to finishing is the YSL Mon Paris. I also have Mon Paris Couture. They're very similar. There's just like, I think Mon Paris Couture is a little bit fruitier, while the regular Mon Paris is just a little bit more floral. But I had to get both. And as I said earlier, Black Opium. That was me trying to get more into my out of my comfort zone. And well, I worked at Ulta at the time, and it was on sale, so I got it for a good deal. That's kind of honestly why I got it. And what else do I have? A couple ones I haven't opened yet because I'm kind of want to keep them all saved when the time comes. But the Oof Rush, the one that looks like little juice boxes. I have the blue one. I haven't started that one yet. I also have the Jimmy Choo. Yeah, it's a Jimmy Choo. I'll just make a fragrance video. How about that? I really like it. Also got it on sale. It comes in like in a green, a little green bottle. It's not eau de parfum. It's eau de toilette. And look at me trying to do my best with my français. I can barely read it. Oh, that's only from classical music diction that I've been learning. What else do I have? Opium Intense. And the only reason I got that one is because it comes in a bluish bottle. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this review. And if you haven't done so already, you can follow me either via Twitter, or I'm more active on Instagram anyway. I know it might be a little confusing because my channel here is Pretty Fluffy Cakes, and while my Instagram is Sweet Fluffy Cakes. I'll probably drop my Twitch once kind of get that up and going. And if also we like to help a girl out, if you want to throw any tips at me, you can also send them via Venmo to my music business here. If you are able to help, that would be so much appreciated. More things to come, more things to come, and we'll see how music things wise go. But I stay tuned, stay tuned. It's coming, it's coming. Another thing that should be coming along with this video is kind of a quick get ready with me, kind of at least based on the products that I used. Since I wanted to feel special today, I definitely brought out my little VZR palette. Because it's so cute. You guys want to look at it? Let's go take a look at it really quick. Look how pretty that is. Not pretty? All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much. If I'm gonna try to do the edits the best way I can so it doesn't seem all over the place. Girls trying, I'm trying, but we're here. We're gonna have fun, and till the next time. Bye, y'all.